What is up, YouTube? This is Mikey Air, and I'm bringing you some seriously crazy news. The Nike Air Foamposite Pros were just announced by Nike. They are releasing on August 25th, 2016. That is pretty much a week from today about, and they're releasing for $230, which is pretty cool because most of the time when Foamposites release are about $250, and then you guys are very familiar with the resale market. On the resale market, these will fetch between another $200 to $300 more than what they're actually purchased at retail. So let's discuss a little bit about what we're looking at. So you can see obviously it's the Foamposite Pro, it's the same silhouette, but we have what they're calling a cobalt blue with black accents. So the very, I guess I'm not sure what to call it, the upper is black, and we have the beautiful, almost looks like a metallic blue side paneling there with a very glossy swoosh, and looks like we have a black carbon fiber. Man, that looks, guys, this looks dope. I really love this shoe. I'm not gonna get it because I'm a hype beast. I'm gonna get it because I actually like this shoe. So it looks like the rubber on the bottom is it doesn't look translucent to me, although I don't have any pictures of the bottom of the, just the soles themselves. All I can see is from the side. So going on that, it looks like pretty much what we have is some really awesome off blue accents to kind of match the upper cobalt blue. Again, these are really highly sought after shoes. You guys want to make sure that you're on sneakers. You downloaded your sneakers app. You're ready to get these. You're in line. You're awake at 10 o'clock in the morning, and that you pretty much are ready to purchase these things and put them in your shopping cart and take off and show them off to all your friends, because these will turn heads, especially this colorway. This is a beautiful, almost like electric blue is what I like to call it, and this is why I personally am not like a big fan of foams themselves, but this colorway is my favorite color that I've ever seen on a Foamposite or Foamposite Pro. So I'm definitely getting these kicks. Guys, leave some comments. Tell me if you like them. Are you gonna get them? Are you gonna pass on them? Are you gonna sleep on them? Do you think this is just a hype beast shoe? Let's discuss this. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave some pictures up here so you guys can keep taking a look at them, and I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. This is Mikey Air, guys. Have an awesome night.